Delta-Cast Soft is a semi-rigid polyester cast tape for the functional immobilization in the treatment of fractures and soft tissue injuries when limited movement is allowed. For indications where immobilization of the wrist and thumb joint is required, for example, scaphoid fractures. Define position of limb before start of application. Thumb and index finger opposing, wrist in slight dorsal flexion and neutral ulnar radial deviation. Due to the semi-rigid properties of the Delta-Cast Soft, only minimal padding with a thin stockinette is required. Choose appropriate width of stockinette that will fit snugly but does not constrict the patient's hand. Measure the length from wrist to fingers and cut it. Measure where to place the thumb hole and make a little cut with scissors. Roll up stockinette before applying on limb to overcome sliding pressure during application. Roll off and remove all wrinkles and creases. Take a double thumb length of 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch width stockinette. Make a cut into the piece and slide this over the thumb. If the patient has prominent bony areas, extra padding may be required. Put on protective gloves. To prepare an optional reinforcement strip, measure the length from wrist to just above the first carpo-metacarpal joint. Layer twice, cut and put aside. If stronger reinforcement is required, increase the number of layers. Select appropriate width of cast tape depending on the size of the limb. Activate Delta-Cast Soft by squeezing it once within and once gently out of the water. Start applying the synthetic cast tape at the wrist and then wrap around the thumb. Ensure a 50% overlap and smooth down. Place the activated reinforcing strip over the scaphoid, smoothing it down. Apply a second roll of synthetic cast tape to secure the reinforcing strip, applying it as before. Ask the patient to gently put the tips of thumb and index finger together, then mold and smooth the cast down. Cut a piece of adhesive hook strap and place it onto the cast tape. For good lamination of adhesive hook to cast tape, wrap elastic bandage around the cast using slight tension. Mold cast with the palm of your hands and check for desired range of motion and any pressure points. Keep the bandage in the limb position for around 5 minutes until the cast is set. Then remove the bandage. Use a marker to draw desired cut lines on the cast. Cut and remove the cast. Trim borders of cast for a good fit. Place Spica cast on patient and conduct fit test for patient comfort to see if more trimming is required and check for allowed motion. Take cast off again and apply fleece edger on the distal and proximal cast ends to get soft edges for a comfortable fit. To avoid the skin getting pinched on the main cutting edge, apply a doubled-up adhesive fleece edger. Place cast on hand and attach stretch loop to secure the cast. Delta Cast Soft by BSM Medical.